Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. What's up guys? I got a nice, hopefully quick video for y'all today. And I'm actually gonna give a shout out to my guy, Derek James, for sending this idea to me. So Derek, I appreciate you, bro, for sharing this with me, because it seemed like it'd be pretty cool, pretty easy thing to do. I know a lot of you all send me recommendations and stuff to do for the truck, and I appreciate it. And if it's easy, because I like easy stuff to do, and something simple that I can do myself, I usually try to do it and incorporate it, but sometimes I just have a different vision for my truck than what you may have. But regardless, I still appreciate the ideas, and I thought this one would be a good one to share with y'all. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, under the hood, I never think about until you really look under the hood. And then when you see like different trucks and shows at car shows and things like that, it always like you open the hood and see like nice color or intake. It's like really a custom look. So that's what we're gonna do. We're actually going to paint the letters here on my engine cover. I'm actually too short to do this, and I'm 6'2", so it's crazy with the lift kit how much taller the truck is. This thing is on an incline. I do not want to fall. So just go take the cap off, put it right there, and then this should just pop off and pull out. There we go, just like that. Sit there right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my oil cap back on so nothing gets down up in there. And that's it. So we got the engine cover off here. So now we just need to go wipe it down and clean it before we get ready to paint it. Okay guys, so we're now in the house, and I do want to show you how I got my balloons right here, the 0 and the K. And actually that was for 30K, but you wondering where the 3 is. I'm gonna show y'all where the 3 is here really quick. So y'all saw the video when I bought that set. It was a surprise brill. We bought it. Guys, it's only been like 4 days, and your boy has already broke the chair, man.
Yeah, Quincy broke our chair already. We just got this chair. Look at it. Where the rest of it at? Where's the rest of the chair?
Look at this. I told you metal can break.
And I told you not to sit back in it. This man didn't broke our chair.
I wasn't sitting in hard.
Yes, you were. You were leaning all the way back.
We got ripped off. I broke the chair. Here's the 3 right here. So yeah, look at that. So apparently this is not a lean back chair. This is a sit upright chair. I don't know. For me, I always kind of just tend to lean back in my chairs, but apparently this is not a lean back chair. It's a regular sit up chair. So your boy was leaning too far back and snap. But I told Bria metal can break. I don't know, but it's gonna hold me though. Think this metal bend?
If you break metal, then you got bigger problems.
I'm slashing.
Like, you can't break metal, right?
She didn't believe me, and so we proved that it can break. But anyway, so I gotta, comment below if that's fixable. Can you weld that back together? Or I just gotta get a brand new chair. I wanna say with that, thank you all for 30,000 subscribers, guys. It's been a long time, over 600 videos. And I was telling someone in the comments, I was talking to one of y'all, that I remember when I couldn't even come up with like 5 videos to film and record. I was like, what am I gonna do next? What am I gonna do next? And 600 videos or 555 videos, no, 595 videos later, we still going. So anyway, thank y'all for 30,000 subscribers, bro. It means a lot. We still moving and grooving. You know, and yeah, I just appreciate y'all, man. It's going well. Doing the YouTube thing has opened doors, and I met so many people now, so super cool. But again, thank y'all. This wouldn't be possible without y'all. So to the video now. I got the engine cover in the house now. It's very dirty, as y'all can see. So what we gotta do first is clean it off. I'm just gonna use some soap and water, but this is what we're going to be filling it with right here. So it's a Motorcraft touch-up paint pen, and it should be the exact color of the truck. Yeah, again, shout out to Derek, bro, for sending me this. This is what he told me to get. I'll put a link down there for y'all where I got it from. So yeah, we're just gonna be coloring in right here. This here, the Eco Boost, the V6, and then the Eco Boost on that side. I literally just got a wet towel and Dawn soap, and I'm just gonna wipe this baby off. So that's what it looks like. See, I got the suds in there pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead, wipe it off, and then we're gonna let it dry. So next time I see y'all, it will be dry and we'll be ready to paint.
A few moments later.
Got everything all set up. Which first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and shake this for about good 20 to 30 seconds is what it says. I think we're ready to start painting, man. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a small piece. I'm gonna start with the circle right here. Oh, okay, I see how it works. Start with the dot right here. It's actually very dark. I'm just gonna try it out and see what happens, but that's very dark. You can barely tell that it's red. Derek, bro, I'm not talking about the product, I'm talking about you. I'm just from my observation, for what I'm seeing so far, this is very dark. We're gonna give it a second. We're gonna see what the finished product looks like. I can tell you, this is gonna take a while, bro. Easy. So we got 3.5 done. Now, let's just keep going, guys. That's really quick. It does come with a brush as well, like a brush tip. So I'm gonna do that for the bigger one. I don't know why I didn't think about that, but you gotta have a steady hand to do this. And my hands aren't the steadiest, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But this makes it a lot faster and a lot easier than what I was trying to do. So that's one coat there. Now looking at it, be honest with y'all, for this, instead of getting the paint match, I would probably went like a bright, like the race red, because with the race red, it will really pop off the black, you know? But like I said, I'm not finished yet. Let me add a few more coats and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, so here is the first coat. Forget everything I just said in the beginning. Well, a few things. One, definitely use the brush and not the pen. I don't know what the heck I was thinking, trying to use the freaking pen, bro. Number two, if you're gonna do this, definitely make sure you have a steady hand. I was low key, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I was kind of rushing this, be honest with y'all. But this is just the first coat. So you can see I gotta go back and fill this in, fill this in. So yeah, that's just the first coat. And I can dig it. Now let this dry, and then I'm going to come back and do a second coat. And then I believe Derek said he did 3 coats. So maybe once we get to that third coat, it'll really pop up and really, really look good. Hey guys, so I just finished up with the third and final coat. Like I literally just put it on. So it's currently drying right now, but as you can see, I will say now that I got more coats on there, it does look pretty good. Now, mine isn't as clean as probably you can do it. That's why I'm not getting super close, I'm gonna be real, but it does look good. Like you can see back here from the angle, and I wanna show what it looks like too from a far away distance. So if you were looking at it from a distance, what it looks like. For 20 bucks though, the pen was $20. You can't go wrong for 20 bucks to get like a little custom look underneath the hood, man, like honestly. So I think it looks good, honestly. I think it's a really, really good idea. Again, thank you, Derek, for recommending this to me, bro. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it outside in the truck, see what it looks like underneath the hood, because also I'm inside, so it's a little darker in here.
A few moments later.
Now the product is all dry. I'm about to actually go ahead and install it in the truck. I want to show y'all what it looks like. I got to keep it at a distance, man. I did such a terrible job, guys, of painting this thing. Like I'm kind of embarrassed, low key. I'll just show y'all, forget it, whatever. So y'all can see it right there. That's what it looks like. But I had a lot of over spillage right here, and then some over spillage right there. So, but it came out pretty good. I like it. I'm very, very excited about it. It looks pretty good. Anyway, let's put it in the engine bay and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the engine bay. Not sure if y'all can tell right there, but yeah. I mean, it looks cool. You pop over the engine bay, see that, it looks cool. It looks bad. No, sorry, let me clarify. The product is good. This is a good idea. The way I did it, just very, very sloppy. And I didn't have any alcohol or a fingernail polish remover. I didn't have any, so I couldn't clean it up. I was like, dang it, you know? One more time. It looks good. I think it's cool. Just do a better job than I did if you're gonna do this. Just be careful, take your time. I was rushing, but that's good. But anyway, guys, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Thank y'all for tuning in. Yeah, I'll catch y'all next week. Peace.